Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 67 registered Mercedes GLC. This is the 220, so this is the 2.1 diesel, and this is the premium car, but looks absolutely stunning in this white paintwork. Now this particular vehicle, premium spec, comes with all the goodies. So we've got panoramic roof, reversing camera. This one's got the optional extra, they've got the side sills on, so the aluminium runners, and it's also got the AMG line front grille, which you can see there. Normally they would have a twin blade horizontal, and these are vertical, same as the AMG. So, excuse me, let's have a look at the car, because it's riding on absolutely fantastic 19-inch alloy wheels, and they're in very, very, very good condition. Superb, best I've probably seen in a long while. The aluminium side runners, they do make these cars look fantastically well on the exterior. And as I pointed out just then, this one has the optional upgraded grille, which is very nice. I like that, I do. Now the AMG line has a totally different exterior body kit than any other of the standard vehicles. We've got a nicer look, more louvered front bumper, chrome trims are on the side. We've got the LED performance headlamps, which are a slightly dark smoked lamp. Looking down the side of the vehicle, it is in exceptional order, not one that's been parked too close to every other car in the car park. And again, passenger side wheel is in brilliant order. Now when we detail this, we'll remove the wheels, we'll do the calipers, we'll wash them inside out the wheels so they look absolutely great when you come. Privacy glass in a premium line suits it with the chrome roof bars and window surrounds. Taking a look down the sides, we've got the keyless entry as well. So I've locked that car, there's little dimples there. Coming round the rear of the vehicle, then we get the twin tailpipes on the exhaust system. 4Matic because it's four-wheel drive and automatic. Electric tailgate, as I press that, comes up, which shows that we've got a fantastic rear boot space. Fit anything in there. Very nice, and you've also got a lockable full boot floor, which you've got more storage underneath there as well. Pop the button down and then the electric boot closes. But looking down the passenger driver's side, it's in great order as well. Parking sensors front and rear, as well as camera, reversing camera. So as you can see, I've locked it, but the key's in my pocket, so as I press it opens up, and then we've got this sumptuous luxury black leather interior. Now this car's keyless entry, keyless start, so we've got powerful mirrors and electric heated memory seats for the driver and also the passenger, with lumbar as well. However, we've got some great aluminium pedals. That key start comes out if you want to put the keys in, and then we've got the panoramic sunroof, which is opening and also sliding. As I jump into the car, I'm going to start her up and shut the door, and then she starts up there nicely. Okie dokie, so inside the car we can see that it's done 46,267 miles. We've got no warning lights other than the fuel it's requiring at the moment. And as I say, multifunction steering wheel. We've got the paddle shifts as well. And then coming down to the centre console, very nice ash dark wood. Dynamic drive, you can manually adjust it there, so you can adjust it to comfort, individual. Super to drive these. Great on fuel. CD player. Navigation, we can use the buttons along the dashboard as we go up there. So navigation, if we press that, agree to it, we've got the map then, so just view map, just for, as you can see, it goes round on the wheel. Satellite navigation. Radio is a DAB radio. Media player, so it's Bluetooth, as well as you can connect your USB or your auxiliary, and telephone is there for Bluetooth. This is obviously a command system on these, so it's a higher grade in the satellite navigation world, and dynamic select, so you can, as I was saying there, you can adjust everything on the vehicle. So if you want to adjust the way that the steering is, the auto stop start, the climate conditions, and then we've got the dynamic drive there. So if I go to sport, eco, sport plus or individual, to which then you can adapt it to your own particular requirements. Aluminium detail runs then across the dashboard onto the door panels. I do admit it was starting to rain as I began the video, so there's a couple of spots of rain because the sunroof was open, but the passenger seat is beautiful. The leather interior in this car is in exceptional order. Auto done mirror, and there we have the panoramic roof. You do get one in the back for the passengers as well, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last keeper in this vehicle didn't smoke either, because it's not smelling of anything other than a very fresh and clean motor car. But that dashboard and the layout of the Mercedes brand is second to none. Opening up for the passengers, you still get the ash wood on the rear trim and the detailing, as you can see, that fine line aluminium detail. Electric windows in the back, which you can again switch off on the passenger. They're not messing about. If you like my kids, they like putting them up and down, don't they? So the rear of the vehicle is in brilliant order, as you can see. No plucks, tears or marks on the bases of those leather seats. And then we've got the carpets, which are also in beautiful order. No marks or dents or scratches around the kick plates there, people carelessly getting in. It is a very, very nice car, if you don't mind me saying so. So this from the outside looks $1 million. We've got the 19-inch wheels, we've got the aluminium side runners, we've got the aluminium around the windows and the tops of the roof bars, and then added to that we've got the AMG front grille, which just makes it different. Polar white is obviously my favourite colour for a GLC, but when you walk round the car, there is a wow factor. Now, I've had the pleasure of driving one of these all the way to London, and the 9-speed gearbox on this, at 70 miles an hour, I was getting just short of 60 miles to the gallon. Round town, arguably 45 all day long, according to Mercedes, but they are a silky smooth car to drive. Put a private reg on, it'll look brand new, this car. So if you want to reserve it, give us a call here in Wigan. We'll take a £250 deposit. That will take it off sale and prepare it for you, so that you only have to come and visit our showroom once. And at which point then, if you've got a part exchange, we'll have already given you a price over the phone, so give us a call, I'll give you a price. If you need finance, we'll have sent you the sign-in portal over online. You can sort all that out before you arrive, and then once you approve the car, after you've test drove it, after you'd have had a look at it, you can click OK, and the car is yours. We'll go on the DVLA's paperwork, we'll do all of that, and at home you go. It's as simple as that. Enjoyable fun, isn't it? Buying used cars from Alpha Motors. Now, we've been in business over 40 years here, so take a look at our reviews, take a look at our social media pages, and you'll see lots of customers from all over the UK coming to collect their cars once from us. But we prepare them to the highest of standards. So just to recap, we've got 2 keys, we've got Bookpack, we've got everything that was supplied new when it was new 5 years ago is still with us today. We've got the benefit of the addition of the running boards on the side, or the side steps, and we've got the benefit of the upgrade front grille. So if you'd like any more information, give us a call here in Wigan, send us an email, contact us through WhatsApp, and either myself, Graham, or Lee, or Dominic will be happy to help you in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.